What are those?
Don't worry about it.
I just finished my morning routine with my new kitty cat. His name is Nimbus. I got him a couple of months ago from an animal hospital. He was abandoned as a little kitty and they rescued him and nursed him back to health. I recently moved back in with my parents and I wasn't sure if it would be the right time now, and especially since we already have so many animals in the house, I don't think my mom would be okay with having another one. My coworker asked me, she's like, I know you want a cat and I have one if you want to meet him. I kept putting it off because I wasn't sure. And he stayed at the animal hospital that entire time. So I finally decided to meet him. And once I did, it was love at first sight. And now he's my cat and he's here. My mom loves him. Everyone in the house loves him. Our other cat loves him. So he's found a good home and he's just brought me so much joy and happiness. So today it's been raining, it's been pouring, the old man has been snoring. It's just been raining nonstop for the past few days. It's kind of nice, it kind of resets the new year. The plan for today is my coworkers and I are getting together to go celebrate one of our coworkers leaving. He's like one of my first friends I made at the company and I'm really gonna miss him, but on to bigger and better things. So I'm happy for him. The plan is just to go grab food and just hang out together, which I can't wait for. It's always fun to like hang out with my coworkers outside of uniform. So that's the plan for today, and after that I have nothing else planned. So let's just wing it and see how the day goes.
A day in the life of me saying goodbye to Grant.
We're only getting ice cream.
The strip club. Hi. How are you? We're with our vlogger.
What are you getting?
Getting the Mars Capone. What are you getting?
What am I supposed to do? Thank you. So now we're back. It's pouring rain outside right now. I don't feel like going out tonight, which is perfect. So I think I want to stay in, put on some PJs, watch a cute movie, maybe do like a face mask and kind of get some goals together for January. I haven't done a vision board yet, but I am planning on doing that. So let's just do a chill night tonight and leave it at that.